To download Windows Server 2022, open your favorite browser and type the following keywords: Windows Server 2022 download. The first result is the link to the Microsoft Evaluation Center, so click on that link. Make sure that you are under the Windows Server 2022 section. As you can see, the evaluation version is valid for 180 days. It will give you enough times to test and evaluate Windows Server 2022 and play with all its features. When the evaluation period is over, Windows Server will continue to run, but it will shut down every hour. Microsoft does that to prevent people from abusing the evaluation versions of its products. Here, you have to select what you want to do. Do you want to try Windows Server on Azure? Or do you want to download the deployment image? As you want to deploy Windows Server on a virtual machine, you have to download the ISO image. Before clicking on Continue, let's expand the Prerequisites section and see the prerequisites for Windows Server 2022. Like we have seen above, the evaluation period is valid for 180 days. The second point states that the evaluation version of Windows Server must activate over the internet in the first 10 days to avoid automatic shutdown. The activation is automatic. You just need to ensure that the server can access the internet. When done, click on Continue. Here you have to fill in your information. Enter your first name, your last name. For the company name, you can enter your name instead. For the company size, I select 1. For the job title, select whatever you want. I choose IT or Technical Manager. In the work email address field, you can enter your personal email address if you don't have a work email address. Enter your phone. Choose your country. It's Algeria for me. If you don't want to receive information and promotional emails from Microsoft, then uncheck this option. Click Continue. On this page, you are asked to choose your language. I choose English. Now you are all set to go and start downloading the ISO image by clicking on the Download button. The Windows Server 2022 image file is more than 5 GB in size, so depending on your internet speed, your download can complete in a few minutes or a few hours if you have a slow internet speed. Click OK to start the download, and when the download is complete, you will be ready to launch the installation of your first Windows Server. This is what you are going to discover in the following lessons. Thanks for watching and see you in the next lesson.